Learning objective. I develop assessment tools that are learner appropriate and target match. Understanding the importance of alignment, I will tailor assessment tools to match the diverse needs and abilities of all my students. By incorporating various formats and scaffolds, I aim to provide equitable opportunities for all learners to demonstrate their understanding. Considering Unit 3's guidance on clarity and fairness, I will ensure that instructions are explicit and tasks are free from bias. Through the approach, I strive to create a supportive assessment environment where every student can showcase the learning effectively. Learning objective B, improve assessment tools based on assessment data. I recognize the value of data-driven decision-making in referring assessment tools. Analyzing student performance, I will identify patterns and discrepancies to inform necessary adjustments. Drawing from the assessment development cycle, I will iteratively refine test item to better align with learning objectives and accurately measure student understanding. Enjoying measures of reliability and validity, such as iterator reliability and content validity, I aim to enhance the credibility and effectiveness of my assessments. This continuous improvement process ensures that my assessment tools evolve in response to student needs and feedback. Thank you.